ज़िक्र मुबारक ऑफ हज़रत हाफिज़ सैयद इम्तियाज़ हुसैन खैराबादी रहमतुल्लाहि ताला अलैह. He was the son of Hazrat Hafiz Sayyid Khadim Hussain Sahab and the grandson of Hazrat Khwaja Hafiz Muhammad Aslam Khairabadi al-Maroof Chote Hafiz Sahab Rahmatullahi alayh. His series of nasab is Imtiaz Hussain bin Khadim Hussain bin Akram Ali bin Akbar Ali bin Maulvi Shamsuddin. He completed his education at home. He memorized the Quran Majid. Afterwards, he completed his course of teaching under Hazrat Khwaja Hafiz Muhammad Aslam Khairabadi and became his disciple. After the completion of his education, he went to his sheikh and asked permission for job. To which Hazrat Hafiz Aslam replied that, "Why do you want to do job? Do not worry, you will feed 10 people before every meal." Since these were the words of a true Sufi saint, Hazrat Hafiz Imtiaz Husain's whole life changed. His excellent way of life proved his sheikh's words. He fulfilled the responsibility of providing for the whole family and other honors with excellence. He was famous for his stylish clothes and dressing sense. There was a tailor employed to sew his clothes exclusively, and as per the literal words of his sheikh, many people used to feed themselves from the wide range of food items on his table. Hazrat Sayyid Imtiaz Hussain gave immense importance to the holy month of Ramadan. He always prayed Zuhr prayer in its prime time. After praying, he came back home and prepared various kinds of dishes for Aftari. Then he used to pray Namaz-e-Asr in its later time. Later, he used to organize iftar for people and adorn it with numerous delicacies, while he himself broke his fast with only one date. He was a very open-hearted man who cared for poor and did charity for them. People were surprised to see his generosity when he easily gave away precious and valuable items. A lot of people used to wonder about the smooth management of expenses, as there was no visible way for his income. He built a mansion to rest with his own expenses in the dedicated orchard which is connected to Dargah Sharif. Due to his charming and impactful personality, he had a significant status amongst the gentlemen, rich, and chiefs. They always took his advice and respected his decisions in many matters and cases. He also served as the honorary magistrate of Khairabad and took decisions in many important cases. Also, different disputes were also resolved at his place. He was also a great poet and used the pen name Shakil. This promoted the poetic atmosphere in Khairabad. Every month, Tarahi and Ghair Tarahi Mushaira were arranged in his home, which was attended by both locals and outsiders. Some knowledgeable people of Khairabad possess his manuscripts by the name of Bazme Hafiz, Bazme Shakil, Bazme Imtiaz. One of the manuscripts is kept safe in the library of Khanqah-e Samadiya Phaphound. His kalam is still recited by the Qawwals during the Urs celebrations of Laharpur, Khairabad and Phaphound. It has an immense effect on the listeners who get deeply absorbed in its spirituality. During his Sajjadgi, Urs Sharif was celebrated with great joy. It was attended by many Sajjad Khans of different Khanqahs who stayed for all events of Mahfil-e-Sama. This resulted in an opportunity for the Qawwals to receive a lot of money who came from far off areas. Not only Qawwals but sellers also came all the way from Bareilly, Pilibhit, Shahjahanpur to attend and set up their stalls during the Urs celebration. Langar was provided to each and every attendant regularly. Sayyid Aqil Ahmad Jafri describes his outright in the following words: जिसका बातिन भी वैसा ही हसीन है जैसा कि ज़ाहिर, जो मनसब के एतबार से भी शाह है और तबीयत के एतबार से भी, जो रिंद है मगर नेक तबीयत, जो मर्द है मगर साफ बातिन, जो खलील भी है और अदील भी, जो जमील भी है और शकील भी. Sayyid Imtiaz Hussain Khairabadi had the Khilafat of Silsila Aliya Chishtiya Hafiziyya. He had permitted Hazrat Maulana Misbahul Hasan Sahab Phapundwi to include disciples in Silsila Aliya Chishtiya Hafiziyya. Thus, if anyone came to him for bayat, he sent them to Mauli Sahab. This is the reason why he had a minimal number of disciples, or rather no disciple at all. Hazrat Shah Sayyid Walayat Ahmad Qalandar Rahmatullah Alayh, Sajjada Nashin Khanqah Qalandariya, also had permission from Hazrat Shah Imtiaz Hussain of Silsila Chishtiya Hafiziyya. He lived a spiritual life and departed from this temporary world on 1st Rajabul Murajjab 1361 Hijri. He is buried in Dargah-e Hafiziyya besides his father. Nawab Ghulam Muhammad Khan Sahab of Aligarh wrote the stanza commemorating his wisal. कर्द पर्दा दाद ख्वाहे बेकसां इब्ने बतूल, अज विसालश गश्त गमगी जुमला अरबा बेवकूल. ए गुलामे असलमी तारीख रहलत ई बेगो, इम्तियाज़े सैयदे आली मनिश आले रसूल.